there.
So we were given a book from our host this morning, and we were told to pick a trail. So we picked the Winter Trail. It's literally called the Winter Trail.
Yep.
Here in Alaska. Check out that view. Ready to go with us?
Come on.
First day in Alaska.
Ooh.
And we're already picking the winter.
Yeah, I'm feeling it.
Winter Creek Trail is a 3-mile, well-established trail through the northernmost lush rainforest in the North America. This rainforest surrounds you with dense cottonwood, pine, ferns, and grassy lowlands. We were so excited to hear that this trail also has many other amazing features, like a hand tram over a gorge, snow bridges, blue flowing glacial water, and markers identifying it as part of the historic Iditarod Trail.
Look at that tree blown up.
Wow. What do you think? Lightning? Splintered just because it fell over?
I don't know what it was, but it just looks like it just blew up. That could fun on a mountain bike.
Yeah, it would. I wonder if they let you do that since this is a mountain bike ski resort. And there's Gary.
Here we are.
So this is for all our California friends. This forest, it's like a tropical, it's actually considered a temperate rainforest, and I can definitely feel why. It's very...
Steam.
Huh?
Steamy.
Stingy?
Steam.
Steamy. Gary calls it steamy. I was
I
going
know.
to say muggy.
Muggy, that's probably
Yeah.
better.
You can definitely feel the high humidity in here. Yeah, I wonder if I had a barometer what it would say. But I definitely want to look up temperate rainforest because it's kind of cool. There is so much vegetation here that is so different than our own forest. I would say the only thing I can compare it to is Lewis Creek Trail.
Been a lot different.
Yeah, Gary says a lot thicker, that's for sure. And then look, you don't see that up in Lewis Creek. I don't know if you could see that mountain way back there with all the snow. Get a picture of you. is cool. Pretty neat. That was called a snow bridge. It said cross at your own risk.
We learned later in the week that the water here at Bryan Creek flows from areas like Punch Bowl Glacier. Weather.gov shows that the water temperatures are around 40 degrees, but literally it felt like we were putting our feet in a bucket of ice. It wasn't long though before we wanted to see who can last longer.
What?
You're gonna do it.
Well, tell us. How many seconds did you get?
I got 30 seconds.
That's how long you had your feet in the water?
Yeah,
Okay.
almost 31.
Were you right here? You were right here?
Yep. Yeah,
Showing me or my feet?
you like, yeah, kind of should go with the...
Show me.
What's that?
Can you see my face?
No, it's too far.
Oh, gosh, that hurts. What am I at?
I can't tell you. Okay, you beat me.
Ow, that hurts. Oh my gosh, my feet are hurting. What'd I get?
35.
Woo! Ow. Did your feet go numb?
Yeah.
I didn't go numb. Mine are just like,
Stinging.
they're like needles going into my feet. And they still hurt. I need to get on that rock. Warm them back up. All right, Gary's gonna go for the win. Do we get to see the timer?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. I want to see your face too.
Wow, that water's cold. Tree's about ready to fall over, looks like.
Huh?
That tree's leaning towards
You're trying to distract yourself so your feet don't hurt?
right there. Look how empty that is, all the water.
Wow, my feet are in the water taking this photo. Hurry up and get it over with. My feet are getting cold over here.
Okay, I got 36. I beat you.
How's it feel?
It's like, when I see these people over here walking across this bridge,
Oh my
totally
gosh.
distracted me from this thing. And I don't know what else to do, but it's really distracting me because it's very cold. And I don't know where I'm going with that.
Are your feet numb yet?
Actually,
Minute! He did it!
wow!
My feet are over here in the water too. But it's a little more shallow than yours. How do your feet feel?
They're still freezing. They're still needles.
Continued on our way to Winter Creek Gorge. Supposedly, this is one of the most beautiful features on this trail. This is Winter Creek Trail Gorge. The entire river is forced into a narrow constriction of solid rock, only to leave about 15 feet wide.
You go off of that in your kayak?
Not that, maybe that.
is so gorgeous.
Full-on sieve. I don't think I would have been be able to survive if I jumped. We found this back trail that goes along the edge of that waterfall. Wow. Check this out. It's like this little tiny trail. I don't know where Gary ended up, but there's the edge of the waterfall. There's the edge of the waterfall. Wow, where are you taking me, babe?
I know we can go either down or it goes up. If we go down, we can see a better view of that.
Oh, look, someone's on the beach over there.
Yeah.
Down where? Straight down? You sure? Why don't we go to the other side? It looks like the other side is where everybody else is at.
They're over there. I want to go over here.
You want to go? Oh.
Why would you go where they are?
Oh, I totally felt this mood. Ugh.
We discovered that the upper part of Winter Creek Trail is actually a segment of the longer Iditarod Historic Trail, which is actually a network of 2,300 miles of winter trails evolved to connect the Alaskan villages and established a dog team mail and supply route during the gold rush year. We were so excited to actually find the marker for the Iditarod Trail. So stay tuned because we have some exciting Iditarod footage coming up.